Akere here once more. Today we're going to be talking about something very, very important. I believe you watched my last video, and of course, I know you are going to share it and you are going to just show it to somebody who you think might need it the most. But this time, we're going to be talking about something for 2025. Of course, we need to start the year very early if we actually want to make some money while we do our normal job. So, today, we're going to be talking about affiliate marketing. I believe you've heard about that. And if you've never heard about that, affiliate marketing simply means you promoting a product for somebody, and after you promote the product, then you get some commission from that thing which you promote. Take for example, you are promoting something on Amazon, maybe like a shirt or a computer or whatever it is. And then after you've sold that particular product, let's say it's being sold for 500 euros or something like that. And then Amazon is paying you maybe 10% of 500, and this is what you get. So, as much as you're able to say, as much as you are going to get. So, I'm going to tell you, I'm going to be showing you two tools which you can actually use to promote some products online. And with these two tools, you won't even need to do very much. I'm going to be showing you, so stick to the end of this video, and I'm going to be giving you a trick on how to do this. So if you're new on the channel, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button because you don't want to miss any other video. So talking about two tools which you can actually use for affiliate marketing in 2025, I'm going to be sharing my screen with you, and then you can see everything which I am showing you. So the first two I'm going to be talking about, or the first website which you need to go to get some affiliate programs, is ClickBank. So ClickBank, they offer various type of affiliate marketing, and they are actually one of the best out there. If you go on ClickBank, you will see a lot of affiliate jobs that you can actually promote and you can actually earn from them. As you can see on my screen right now, we have this ones. You can see this one is like $228, $20, $3, $39. But actually, you have to put some effort to it because it's all about you promoting this particular stuff. If you can't promote it, then you can't really earn from it. So it's not like you're just gonna sit down and then you start getting the money and it's like a magic. No, you have to promote them. But that is why I'm actually making a video, because I'm going to give you a trick at the end of this video how you can actually promote the product without you sweating. So when you come on ClickBank, when you click on new offer, you will see the offers that are available right now. You can see this one say earn from your photo jobs and whatever it is. So this is for those that are actually into photography. So if you're into photography, you can actually come here. You can actually promote this particular one, as you can see on the screen. You can promote this particular one, and then you can actually earn from this. So how does this actually work? So when you come on ClickBank, when you click on promote, you will see here where you need to type in your name. Okay, I need to log in. I think I was logged in before and it's actually logged in. So let me log in again and then we'll see. So give me a sec for me to log in. Okay, I'm back on ClickBank. So now when we click on affiliate, you can see here just by your left, when you click on affiliate marketplace, and then it takes you to this affiliate market page, and then you can scroll down, and when you click on new offer, you see all the offers that are currently available, and then when you then here you can actually select which offer you want to promote. So let's say this one is education. You can see this for business and invest, this is for politics, this is for self-care, and this is for languages, this is for product style, and whatever it is. So I'm just going to click on top offers, and I'm just going to pick anyone, and we are just going to try to promote it together. So here I'm going to be clicking on education, for example. This is for $49. Let's look for something really simple, and then let's go to arts and entertainment, because of course you also have to pick something that is in the market right now, something that people really want to know about. So if you're going to promote I'm making this I'm making this video in December. So if I'm going to promote something, this is going to be maybe something that has to do with Christmas that people really want to buy, maybe some shirts, some shoes. But this video is for 2025, so I'm not going to be choosing that. So let's say we pick something. Let's just pick something randomly, and then we can just talk about it. So we go for business and investment. So people love to do business, people love to do investment, and as you know right now, everything on the market is about crypto, crypto, crypto. And this is like a product. This is like a product about crypto. The crypto code is the name. And then when you click on affiliate page here, it takes you to the affiliate page and you see how much they actually pay. So for this one, if you promote this particular webinar, you are going to be earning $826 per sales. So per sales, which you do for this particular program, you are going to be earning $826. That sounds very interesting, but of course, you have to do the work. So when we click on promote, you get this stuff here and you can fill in your name and whatever it is. And so how do you do it? How do you want to promote this job? How do you want to promote it? So the tool which you are going to be using, the next tool which you are going to be using is Twitter. And Twitter has 250 million people on Twitter almost every day. 250 million people visit Twitter every day. So you have to use this. So you don't need to use any other platform, just use Twitter, and then you can actually post it on Twitter, and then when people view it on Twitter, because it has a lot of audience, and then they can buy. So let's say I'm promoting this particular product that has to do with crypto code. And so what I need to do is, when I click on promote, and then I can put in my name here. You see, I already put Akere EB, and then it generates a link for me. So this is the link. This is the link which I'm going to be promoting, because this is the link that has been generated for me. When I copy this link, and then I can just click on, I can go to Twitter, and I can be like, okay, do you want to know how to earn from crypto? Don't miss this chance to earn a lot. So after typing this, what you just need to do is just put in the link which you copy, and then it will direct people to this particular page. So when I click on growth, so also you can also check some trends that are actually trending now on Twitter, and then you can add this trend. If you look by your left here, you can see something that has to do with Bades, Shea Makinde, Musk, and everything. So for this particular post to go a little bit viral, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click enter here, and I'm going to excuse me, and I'm going to add what is actually trending now. So I'm going to put Musk, and then I'm going to put baddest, and I'm going to put the video. I'm just selecting something that is trending on Twitter right now. Yeah. So after doing that, what you just need to do is you just click on post. After you post, when people see this link and then they buy from this particular page, and then you earn from it. This is how you can actually earn from affiliate marketing in 2025. If you think this video was helpful, you know what to do. Just hit the subscribe button and like this video so someone else can actually see the video. I'm going to be linking my last video at the end of this video, so don't forget to watch that video. Also, my name is Akere Ebolo. As you know, I'm going to be in the comment section, and if you have any questions, don't forget to drop them. And that's all for today. Until I catch you in the next one. Bye for now.